Hi, this is Jaideep Pal, and thanks for watching this video today. I come with more than 5 years of experience in the field of AI, and today I'll be walking you through my pet project, which I have been working for more than 2.5 months now. In this AI world, probably you might have come across multiple use cases. It could be causal AI, where the AI does event correlation and provides root cause analysis, or your predictive AI, where it predicts data, predicts your future based on the past data, or generative AI, where it generates new contents for you. But one of the missing links here is how AI can help any persona in an enterprise level so that the efficiency of that business persona improves. And that's where probably my framework tool comes into play. This framework tools has multiple components which helps your agentic AI workflow to get deployed in an IT landscape. For instance, it has a contextual layer which understands the existing IT landscape and gauges the upstream and downstream dependencies of all your tools and systems. Once it does that, it uses its cognitive gate to understand the business persona for which it wants to take action. Then it takes action with the help of its tool or connectors or integrations that are available at its disposal based on the confidence score it has. For instance, if the confidence score is too high, then it automatically takes action, or if the confidence score is moderate or low, it asks for human intervention or even escalates it for human takeover. Not just that, it also has a knowledge deposit layer which makes it most interesting. It accumulates all the happy path flow executions output and trains the AI model so that the AI can take more efficient action in the next cycle. Now, what makes this framework tool deployable at an enterprise scale is its ability to value map its touch points to the scaled metrics, which helps any business persona to understand the ROI of the agentic AI workflow. For instance, it provides a metric called knowledge gap rate, which helps you to understand if the AI agent lacks data even to start the task, or it provides a metric called human takeover rate, which helps you to understand how many tasks defined are taken by your agent or it needed a human intervention. Similarly, it can provide you customer satisfaction rate, AI auto resolution rate, or your reasoning accuracy, which helps to understand to what extent the AI agent is following your organizational logic. If I want to call out what makes this framework tool really unique, probably it would be its ability to decouple its execution engine with the intelligence layer. When I say execution engine, I mean the core business vertical level, domain level skills of the persona which is required to take the action. For instance, it features logic embedded task orchestrator or your dynamic dependency mapper, which understands the upstream and the downstream system dependencies or the system integrations, and also takes the human in the loop whomsoever the agentic AI is complementing. And that particular aspect helps your product team to nurture and play around with your LLM models as per your business appetite and understand which AI or which model provides the maximum ROI. And all this probably together helps your business persona to improve its user experience to the next level. For the sake of this framework, I have done a POV where I have considered a business persona in an e-commerce domain who is a marketer and is trying to recover its high intent shopper who might have abandoned their cart journey. So for the sake of this video, I've shared all the documentations in the description below, and probably I'll conclude with a short demo of the working prototype. So let's watch it. What you see here is a RAG-based agentic AI workflow which is hosted over N18 platform. The upper pipeline consists of the DB which stores all your business policies, which is pulled to a vector DB powered by an embedding model. The embedding model chunks all your data into high dimensional vectors and stores in the vector DB. On the other hand, the lower pipeline consists of the AI agent powered by an LLM model as its brain, and also it has a RAG chat memory which stores all the prompts and creates intern conversation which feels just like human. In the LLM model, the framework output or the framework gist is provided as the prompt where I have defined the role and the task that the agent has to perform, followed by the constraints under which it should perform. For the sake of this, I have considered a simple use case where I have provided the customer conversation and I ask to analyze the sentiment and and draft a recovery email based on the confidence score. Once approved, it triggers the draft mail to the desired endpoint. Thanks for watching.